Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the boAt Immortal 150. Now this is a brand new pair of earbuds from boAt. It's priced at $11.99 and you can know about the existing offers and the final price in the description below. It's available in two colors, black saber and white saber. We have the black color. And as for the highlights, this is actually intended more towards the gamers. It's got RGB lights on the earbuds itself and the case itself, which I'll be showing you in a minute. And besides that, it also got IP rating. It's got IPX4 water resistance, Bluetooth version 5.3. It's got some of the boAt's latest technologies like quad mics with ENx technology for better reception, ASAP technology for faster charging speeds, and much more. So without further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box. On the front, we have a preview of how the earbuds look like, which we'll look into in a minute, along with some highlighting features. On the back side, we have some more highlights along with social media handles, some QR codes, and so on. Now let's unbox it. First, we have the case itself, followed by the extra ear tips, cable, and documentation. Now let me just remove the cover. Now here's the case. Let's have a closer look. This is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks on the back. On the front, we have the boAt branding, which actually has a LED backlit with RGB lighting. And above that, we have a smaller notch to open the lid. At the bottom, we have a USB Type-C charging port, and the rest of the sides are pretty plain. Now, once you open the lid, you can access the earbuds, and as you can see, LEDs are already lighting up and they are entering the pairing mode. Now, here's a closer look at the earbuds. On the back, we have the LEDs, which also acts like a touch interface. Right underneath that, there's a mic on each side. On the other side, there's a cutouts for ear tips and left and right marking on each earbud. On the bottom, there are charging pins and the mic on each earbud. By the way, these charging pins aren't really my favorite, but it's like an industry standard these days. Like most of the earbuds these days come with the same charging pins. By the way, if you use these a lot, make sure you clean them properly. Now with that said, this case itself weighs about 42 grams and each earbud just weighs about 4 grams. Now these are the complete specifications of these earbuds. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3, has IPX4 water resistance. It also comes with the boAt's ASAP technology, where you can charge this case for just 10 minutes and use it for 3 hours continuously. So that's pretty fast charging speeds. And if you want to completely charge it, it takes about 2 hours. As for the earbuds, they come with 10mm drivers with quad mics with ENx technology. And as for battery, the case itself comes with a 400 mAh battery and each earbud comes with 40 mAh battery. As for battery life, you can easily get up to 4 to 5 hours of usage time on a single charge. Like I'm talking about the earbuds. With the case itself, you can get up to 40 hours. Now let's look at the pairing process. These earbuds also come with the IWP technology, which is boAt's instant wake and pairing technology. So you just need to open the lid and both earbuds enter the pairing mode, and you can just open up your phone and search in the Bluetooth settings for the Immortal 150. Just tap on it and they'll get connected. Now you also got an auto pairing feature. So once you've already connected to your phone, you just need to open the lid and pick them out. And by the time you place them in your ear, they are already paired to your phone. So that's another pretty cool feature, which is really appreciated. Now, as for the functionalities, as I've said, these come with touch sensors on the LEDs. So you can just do a single tap on the left side or right side to play or pause or answer or end the call. You can tap twice on the right side to play the next track and tap twice on the left side to play the previous track. Next, you can tap and hold on the right side to enable the beast mode. Now this beast mode is a high performance mode where you'll have low latency. So if you're playing games like PUBG or Call of Duty, then you might want to use the beast mode. And finally, you can tap and hold on the left side to trigger voice assistant. That's basically Google Assistant on Android and Siri on Apple. Now coming to the part of the review, I'll start with the design and build. I'll say the design and build of this product is pretty solid. It's got a completely boxy design, like you can just place it on a table and it'll even stand on its own. Like it's got pretty flat sides on all the sides. It's completely made of plastic, good quality plastic, and it doesn't attract any kind of smudges or fingerprints. So that's another good thing. And you also got a pretty fancy LED light for people who might be interested. So overall build quality is top notch. For the case, you also got a USB Type-C charging port, which goes on with the trend. That's another good point. Now coming to the part of these earbuds, once again, they are pretty solid. I really don't have any complaints. They just weigh about 4 grams and come with a 40 mAh battery. So battery life is great. Once again, you have this fancy LEDs if that's your thing. And it's got touch controls, which is much better than actual physical buttons or some other crazy design. Anyway, design and build of this product is really good and I personally don't have any complaints. Now when it comes to the audio quality, I try to listen to a little bit of music, watch some videos on YouTube as well, and the audio experience is pretty good. Like even at lower volumes you get all the details, and even at higher volumes there's no distortion. And because these earbuds completely cover your ear, you can almost ignore all the low level noises, like low level ambient noises, so you can have a pretty solid experience. Now coming to the call quality, I did make a few calls even on a busy street, and call quality was pretty decent for the price. Now finally coming to the battery life, you can get up to 40 hours of usage on a complete charge of the case, and on the earbuds you can get up to 3 to 5 hours of usage depending upon the volume levels you're using or how frequently you're using. So overall I'll say it's pretty good. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for a pair of new earbuds around 1000 rupees with fancy LED lights, bigger battery, longer battery life, then you can definitely consider this product. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. With that said, see you next time.